We've actually partnered with the volunteer centers, I would say, in a couple of ways. So one, Michigan Cares was really one of our first initiatives that I would say really looked at volunteer infrastructure at a community level. And so that was an initiative between the Commission and the Council of Michigan Foundations. And we asked community foundations to really serve as a neutral convener to assess the volunteer infrastructure in communities and to think about putting a plan together for how communities might better be able to leverage some of these new federal dollars that were coming down the pipeline. And what we found out of that process, and in some cases, some of the strongest volunteer centers that we still have actually were developed as a result of the Michigan Cares process. So Volunteer Muskegon, Resource Genesee, which is the volunteer center in Flint, were products that came out of that because the Community Foundation, the United Ways, the other groups came together to say, what is it that we need to put into place in order to be able to take advantage of these resources? And so that really started, was one of the most successful projects, I would say, that we did with Volunteer Centers of Michigan.